In this video, I'll walk you through downloading Landsat imagery at no cost. We'll navigate the USGS Earth Explorer together. From selecting a Landsat scene to completing your download, I'll guide you through each step if you're new to this platform. Let's begin. Before we dive in, know that the USGS Earth Explorer isn't limited to Landsat imagery. This platform houses extensive datasets including elevation models, land cover maps, and even declassified imagery from military reconnaissance satellites. Throughout this video, I'll highlight some of the most valuable datasets you can access. I've been working with the USGS Earth Explorer for over 5 years. The interface evolves regularly. What you see today might differ slightly from this demonstration, so adapt as needed while following along. Here we are in the USGS Earth Explorer. Your starting point is entering search criteria. The most efficient method, one I rely on almost exclusively, is zooming directly into your area of interest. Let's focus on the Colorado Rockies region. Now I'll click Use Map. The selected area appears highlighted in red. Zooming out with the mouse wheel, you can see our Colorado selection clearly marked. Date range represents another critical search parameter. When you need imagery from just the past month, here's the approach. Cloud cover filtering proves equally valuable. For cleaner imagery with minimal cloud interference, reduce this range below 10%. The system then displays only scenes meeting your cloud-free requirements. The Datasets tab contains every downloadable collection within USGS Earth Explorer. Landsat imagery appears after scrolling down slightly. But this platform truly represents a treasure trove of geographic data. Among my go-to resources is the Digital Elevation dropdown. Here you'll discover SRTM data, one of the world's most comprehensive global digital elevation models. The UAS collection draws significant interest as well. This includes drone-captured orthophotos, point clouds, and raw imagery files. The EO1 collection stands out for its hyperspectral data from the Hyperion sensor. Sentinel-2 data was once available here, though it's no longer listed. Now let's locate and download a Landsat scene. We're currently in the Landsat collection within the Datasets tab. For older scenes, say from the year 2000, you'll need to select Landsat Legacy. I'll do that now. Notice how each sensor type displays its operational date ranges. This feature represents a recent improvement, much more convenient than the previous setup. Simply match your desired time frame with the appropriate sensor. For recent imagery from last week, I'd select Landsat Collection 2. This requires choosing between Level 1 and Level 2 products. Level 2 delivers analysis-ready, atmospherically corrected data, while Level 1 contains raw scenes with digital numbers. I'll select Level 2. Now let's scroll down and click Results. This takes us to the Results tab, where you'll find a complete list of scenes matching the criteria we set earlier. I'll select this particular scene. Let's preview it. Check the footprint on the map. This shows its position within your area of interest. You can also display the actual scene imagery through the preview function. When you're satisfied with the scene selection, click Download Options. A pop-up appears. Select Product Options. Download the complete product bundle by clicking Download. The transfer has already begun. There you have it. The complete process for downloading Landsat imagery through USGS Earth Explorer at no charge. I hope this demonstration helped you understand the platform better. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.